Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Analos token. Now this is a Solana backwards. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 24th, Christmas Eve, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Analos token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, grab your Analos and moonwalk to the moon. It's the only way to go forward. Now this token is being listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global, starting December 24th at 8 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol ANALOS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Twitter is at Analos_coin_. Now, if you go over there, you can find a link to their Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You'll find a link to their Telegram on the Twitter there, at Analos_coin. You'll find a link to their webpage, analos.meme. And you can tell right away just by the name of their webpage that this is very much a meme coin. They just joined in December 2023. Brand new project, brand new socials, everything. Less than a month old. They already have 103 tweets, so they're very active on the socials. 14,500 Twitter followers. So it says in their pinned tweet, December 20th, the Analos token has been listed on Radium. Airdrop claim is live, so if you were involved with that, you can hit that claim link there in their pinned tweet. It says, grab your Analos on Radium. Then it has the contract address on their Twitter there. Has a link to Deck Screener and Bird Eye, so you can check out the chart. We're going to have a look at those in a second here, see if these actually work. Sometimes these Deck Screener things don't work on Chrome for some reason. I'll open it up in a different browser. We'll check it here anyways. So you can get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing on Radium, which is like a decentralized exchange for SOL tokens. So basically, there's just like Pancakeswap or Uniswap for BSC or Ethereum tokens. So basically, if you did want to get this prior, all you would have to do, first of all, you need a decentralized wallet, like a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet, etc., Coinbase wallet, anything that can store Solana tokens. And then you would fund your decentralized wallet with SOL. Go into the dApps, go into the decentralized applications, and you would search and then you would search for Radium, and then you would trade your Solana for the Analos token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet. And and then that's it. You may have to set slippage. I don't know if there's taxes or anything. I don't think so. I didn't see anything like that, but we could verify in a second here. So on Bird Eye, you can see that there is a max total supply here of, right now they have 99,980,719,686 tokens. They have 34,417 holders, it says, so a lot of holders so far. Fully diluted market cap right now is $75,161,059. So yeah, this project is doing very well on here. Looks like they have some links here on here as well. Looks like it doesn't look like it's on CoinGecko yet, but it does have their webpage links, everything like that. Community trust score here is 97%, so they've had 117 votes, so that's a pretty good trust score there. It says the top 10 holders hold 34.79% of the tokens. Total value locked is $2 million. So yeah, then you can go over the 24-hour trades, all this type of stuff, so you can check this all out here. It looks like there's a pool on Radium of $25.19 million. And then there's also a pool on Orca. I don't think I've ever actually used Orca, but that's on here as well. So there's two different pools. You can get it off of Radium or Orca. And yeah, so then they have a security audit that you could check out. And there is some warnings on here, so just be aware of that. It does say mutable info. Yes, there's a warning on there. And it goes over, let's see, that's the only, so there's only one warning that you could see so far on their security audit. It says mintable tokens, no. Ownership renounced, yes. So there's some good stuff here, but keep in mind it's just a quick audit, and then you can check out the chart on Bird Eye too. So besides that, if you go over to their webpage, it says white paper, but if you click on the white paper, nothing happens, so it's not available yet. Now, there's Tokenomics, buy now button. Now, there's not much info on here because this is very much a meme token, so just be aware of that. And it says created as a culmination of all the memeable events on Solana. So they have, Doge and all these different characters, Shiba Inu, meme tokens. This guy from, what's his name there? FTX guy, Sam Bankman-Fried, but he's the South Park character. All that type of stuff's on here. So it says roadmap is pump, 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 pump. Pump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, dump, FTX crash, done. So again, meme project. Very much just a meme project. And even their roadmap is kind of a joke, right? Like they talk about being listed on FTX and bonk stuff and all sorts of stuff like that. So pretty much everything on here is a joke. It says, grab your Analos and moonwalk to the moon. It's time to go forward. And then they have their token allocation on here. So it says 75% of the tokens go to liquidity. 10% goes to marketing. 15% airdrops. Now, besides that, you can join their Telegram community, which is at Analos_coin. They have 8,841 members, 1,436 online. And I guess if you want to find, all the info, because there's hardly any info, you would just scroll through their tweets, which is like 103 tweets. And just check out all the updates and everything like that on there. So I would follow their socials to see what's new. But besides that, you're getting this brand new Mexc global listing tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.